Yeah, hello YouTubers. Just what came in the mail today. My f1r's. I'm gonna unbox them right now. I'm so happy about it. Woo! 20-inch. 20 by 8.5. Alright. For the front. 20 by 10 plus 40 for the rear. They're really secure, these boxes. I say they're well wrapped, well secure. Yeah. Wow. They look very awesome. See that? Nice plastic. These are gonna be the smaller ones for the rear. Put that over here. Nice and good. Yeah, they're not like dull, but they're called chromey gold. I need something to shine because if you get the gold by itself, after a while it gets dull and fade away. But when it's chrome, constant shine. Nice little plastic here. With some kind of soft material. Yeah. And the reason why I got these, because just the other day I dropped in some pothole in New York City and just put 4 cracks in my holder rim. So the summer is not quite over. So I decided to purchase another set of rims. Your car must have some new shoes now and then. Alright. Check it out. Woo! Just like I saw in the picture. I wish it was a little bit more shinier, but it's pretty shiny. It's like a very smooth gold. And it's not mustard. You know the mustard looking rim? It's not that. It's actually gold. Okay. See the inside. They got like a center cap. Very nice. But the one I saw on the internet had like a silver cap. But this one, I like it because it actually match. Not too bad. It said they weigh around 20 pounds. Or 18, 20 pounds. It's not that bad. I thought it would be heavier because of the gold. So there you have it. My chromey gold f1r's. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe at the bottom. Thank you very much. Nice. wow, those are smooth like a